Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Data Pulse Hub. Today in this video we are going to look at the fascinating programming language Python. It is one of the most popular and versatile languages out there that is currently ruling the technological world. Let us get into the video and get to know the basics of Python as well as the history of Python and how Python is used in every single industry out there. Let's get started. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted language. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. So, we see that it has these properties. One is readability, versatility and ease of use, interpreted in nature, extensive standard libraries, and open source and extensibility. Readability means that when you read a Python program, you will be able to understand it immediately. Even if you are a non-Python programmer, when you read it, it is similar to an English syntax. Hence, when you read it, it is very, very clear and on how and what this code is actually going to perform. Hence, this allows even the beginners to start programming without much requirement or help. What is versatility? Versatility is this ability of Python where it can incorporate multiple different languages in itself, download multiple libraries that can help perform many different activities. For example, it can go from automation to artificial intelligence to scientific calculations. It has multiple packages that allow for it to perform all these different activities. Next, interpreted nature. So, Python is a non-compiler language. Compiling means understanding the whole code, compiling it, and then executing it. Whereas Python is an interpreted language. Interpretation means reading the code line by line and executing it as you go. This allows it for prototyping and easy debugging. So, extensive standard libraries. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library. It has multiple packages that allow it to perform multiple different activities such as incorporating file input and output, regular expressions, data manipulation, statistical modeling, and many more. The rich library reduces the need for external dependencies for many functionalities. And as we all know, Python is an open source language. It encourages collaboration and innovation. Its extensibility allows integrating with other languages and making it very versatile. So now let us understand the brief history of Python. So where did it start? What is its origin? So Python is a pretty new language. It was originated only in the 1980s by this particular Dutch programmer. His name was Guido van Rossum. He set out to create this language that is not only more powerful but also very simple compared to the other already existing programming languages like C, C++, and Java. His aim was to develop a language that emphasized on the code readability. So in 1989, the first Python programming version was released, and the first official release was in 1991, which was Python 0.90, which was the very first version of Python. It has evolved ever since. So now let us take a look at the Python's timeline. So as we have already mentioned, in 1989, Guido van Rossum started developing Python, and it was a successor of the ABC programming language. And then in 1991, the first version was released. It was Python 0.90, and it was released to the public for use. In 2000, there was this new release of Python version 2.0. Now we are currently at Python 3.x version. So what is the purpose of Python? Python is very versatile compared to the other programming languages out there. It is used for web development, data science and analytics, machine learning and AI, scientific computing, automation and scripting, gaming and development, Internet of Things, finance, education, research. All these domains use Python. Now we know why it is a go-to language for all the people out there. So we will go into all these different topics one by one in the upcoming slides. So we go deep into versatility. So how is Python so versatile? Primarily, it is used in multiple different industries out there. Firstly, we look at data science, which is the current trending topic, which is the hot topic of the current timeline. So what is data science and how Python is used in data science? Python's extensive libraries and frameworks makes it ideal for data analysis. Python is the primary go-to language for analyzing all the existing data out there and making some meaningful information out of them. It is also used for web development. As we have mentioned earlier, it is used in Django and Flask for rapid development of scalable and user-friendly web applications. It is used in automation. The scripting capability of Python is used by the developers to automate repetitive tasks. It is used in the gaming industry, where it has the libraries that provide powerful tools for creating interactive and engaging games. Finance sector. We all know that Python and its data analyzing capabilities can be leveraged in any industry that has a huge amount of data. And finance is one of those sectors that has abundant data. Financial analysis. This includes market trend analysis and risk assessment. These analyses help in portfolio optimization of the customers. Python is also used for developing algorithms for automated trade systems. Healthcare and life sciences. This is one of those industries that is currently using Python for the betterment of human health. So medical research. For medical research, analyzing the medical data, genome sequencing, and drug discovery can all be performed using Python. Python in healthcare management allows for analyzing patient records, managing the patient records, data analysis, and performing health-related insights. For example, if some person has the higher probability to get a particular kind of disease, forecasting it. This is all possible through Python. Education and research. Python, being the simplest language out there, is the go-to language for all educational institutions. It is the introductory language for all the kids out there. It is also used in research. Python has the capability to perform complex mathematical calculations. And in research fields, Python is used for simulations, data analysis, and modeling. Hence, Python is used in research professionals. Automotive and manufacturing. Automotive and manufacturing industries use Python to create robots that allow for decreased amount of repetitive manual labor, automating all the redundant tasks over to the robots, and it also helps in creating the automation systems and IoT devices. It also plays a very important role in the supply chain management, as the data analytics helps in analyzing the data on the logistics and the supply chain, yielding the businesses higher results. Energy and utilities. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is the primary source of Python usage in the energy and utilities sector. It is used for the data analysis and machine learning to predict any equipment failure and optimize energy usage. Imagine there being a power plant, and if there is any breakdown in the power plant that is going to happen, Python and machine learning helps predict it, allowing for us to regularize the maintenance and decreasing any issues in the equipment. It is also used for the grid management, where Python is used for managing and analyzing the data relating to the energy grids and utilities. Python's applicability across diverse industries continues to grow due to the intensive libraries, readability, and the community support. It is now a very valuable tool in all the multiple different industries for ranging from various sectors for understanding the complex problems and solving them. So now we see what is Python's impact. Python is an open source language. Hence, we all come together and collaborate to make Python much richer. So Python's community has fostered a vibrant ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that allow to contribute for it to grow above and beyond. The community and collaboration allow for knowledge sharing. Since it is open source, anyone can learn at any time. Python's resources are abundant in the internet. So you can go ahead and learn as early as and as simple as possible. So that's all for today's video. If you like that video, go ahead and click the like button, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.